Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen those long white lines stretching behind airplanes? Some say it's smoke, others think it's pollution, and a few even believe in wild conspiracy theories like chemtrails. But what's the truth? Today, we're going to uncover the real science behind those mysterious airplane trails. What are they? These white streaks are called contrails, short for condensation trails. And no, they're not smoke. They're actually made of tiny ice crystals. In fact, they're very similar to something you've seen before: your own breath on a cold winter morning. When you exhale warm, moist air into freezing temperatures, it condenses and becomes visible. Airplanes do the exact same thing, just on a much bigger scale. The science: here's how it works. Commercial airplanes fly at altitudes of 30 to 40,000 feet, where the air is extremely cold, often below minus 40 degrees Celsius. When jet engines burn fuel, they release carbon dioxide and water vapor. Up there, that water vapor doesn't stay invisible. Instead, it instantly freezes into tiny ice crystals, forming the long white trails we see from the ground. Sometimes, these trails fade away quickly. Other times, they can last for hours and even spread across the sky, forming cloud-like layers. What makes the difference? It all comes down to the surrounding atmosphere. If the air is dry, the contrail disappears fast. If it's humid, the ice crystals linger, creating long-lasting trails. Why some planes have them, others don't. Now you might be wondering, why does one airplane leave a huge white trail while another, flying nearby, leaves nothing at all? The answer isn't about the plane itself, it's about the environment. A slight difference in altitude, temperature, or humidity can completely change whether a contrail forms or not. So next time you notice this, you'll know it's just science at work, not mystery. Myths and misconceptions. Of course, not everyone believes the science. You've probably heard of the so-called chemtrail conspiracy, where some claim that airplanes are secretly spraying chemicals for control or manipulation. But in reality, there is zero scientific evidence to support that. What we see in the sky are simply contrails, a natural result of physics, chemistry, and weather. Meteorologists and scientists have studied them for decades, and they are a completely normal part of aviation fun facts and surprising truths. Here are a few cool facts. Contrails can sometimes last for more than 14 hours under the right conditions. They can spread so wide that they cover entire regions, temporarily influencing weather patterns. Pilots and air traffic controllers have even used contrails to track aircraft visually. And believe it or not, contrails can contribute slightly to climate change because they trap heat in Earth's atmosphere, though scientists are still studying how big that effect really is. Conclusion: so the next time you look up and see those bright white lines in the sky, remember, they're not smoke, not pollution, and definitely not secret chemicals. They're simply frozen clouds created by airplanes flying through the icy skies above. Beautiful, fascinating, and completely explained by science. If you enjoyed learning about the truth behind airplane trails, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos for more amazing aviation secrets. Until next time, keep looking up.